Hello brothers, I hope you in good health. The news blows that Honda USA is preparing to launch the new Ruckus, a small scooter with a very interesting design. The latest versions will be launched in April this year, which focus on cute designs and wide range of applications as well as high mobility. So let's talk about it. The body structure of the Honda Ruckus has a unique two-piece chassis, one die-cast aluminum and one steel upper rear frame. Front suspension using twin shock absorber with 55 mm of travel, while rear monoshocks works with a single side swing arm. Front and rear brake system using drum brake. The front tire size is 120/90 and rear tire size is 130/90. Both using 10 inches rims. For the dimensions, this cute scooter has a wheelbase 1265 mm. The seat height is only 735 mm and the weight is only 88 kg, including a fuel tank of fuel and liquid. This Ruckus also complete with 5 liters fuel tank capacity. The highlight of the Honda Ruckus is a compact and lightweight scooter. Also, there is a compartment that can store a variety of things. Honda Ruckus was produced and distributed mainly in Europe and America, which is in line with the European A license that will be mandatory for vehicles with a size not exceeding 50cc engine displacement and a maximum speed of 45 km/h only. The Honda Ruckus is equipped with a 49cc single-cylinder 4-stroke SOHC liquid coolant engine, and the fuel supplied through carburetors with automatic choke system that controls the fuel supply and ECU ignition. The engine starts using an electric switch and the power driven by automatic transmission. So let's waiting for the new Honda Ruckus released in April 2021. Stay healthy brothers, hope you enjoy this video.